They made on Friday nights.
Uh-oh.
I feel like it was made on a
Oh, good thing it's a Saturday night.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Mm.
Oh, you
Dad?
want someone to show you, huh?
They made on Friday nights.
Uh-oh.
I feel like it was made on a
Oh, good thing it's a Saturday night.
Yes.
Babies are already made.
Yo, I think
We're
like
fucked.
this must be an old head joke, because I'm not getting none of what y'all saying
It's
right
okay, baby. You'll grow up and you'll figure it out. It'll just take you a minute.
now. So look.
Unless you want me to spoon feed it to you.
Yeah, do it.
But I think you're a big boy. I think you can handle it.
No, I want you to spoon fed me.
I'd rather you feed me with your fingers.
Oh, with my fingers?
Yeah.
Finger food?
You can feed me with your mouth.
I'm sorry, I'm getting out of
I think I want to feed you everything I got, baby. I got some
I've been
delicious
waiting.
meals for
I've been
you.
waiting.
I've got some extraordinary.
I need like a Thanksgiving feast. You feel me?
Combinations. Some delicacies.
Can you come with dessert?
Oh,
you look quite
always.
sweet.